Thutha wa Sicily Kariuki kwa murota Minista wa ugima wa mwiri, mbere yake ni kibarua kinene gĩa gutigirira motungata ma urigitani ni magacira. Na atacokia ikinya ria mbere ria gucerera ceceni iria nene guku bururi-ini ya motungata ma urigitani na nio thibitari ya Kenyatta. Icera-ini riri, Minista ugite mubango wa mbere ni gutigirira ni manyihia muhatikano thibitari-ini ino.
Because of the centrality, we have ended up having this facility being very congested. In some places I have visited, we are holding threefold of the capacity of what we ought to be holding.
Kuringana na Kariuki, thibitari ya Kenyatta uthiete na mbere kuragacira ka motungata maria yagirirwo ni kuheana ma kurigita arwaru a gutumwo kuma thibitari ingi.
This facility is supposed to be a referral and teaching facility. We are not supposed to be in a position where on a day-to-day basis we are handling primary health care. This is what we have turned into being.
Na niguo gutigirira mubango uyu ni wakinyanira, Minista ni athondekete kamiti iria ikunyitanira na madagitari a thibitari cia county niguo kunyihia namba ya arwaru aria matumwo kuma thibitari cia county,
so that they do not refer patients this way for the sake of referring, that they will do it when it's absolutely necessary, so that then we can be able to work together as a team, and so that then we also come back and appreciate this ought to be a referral and teaching facility.
Na ciĩgiĩ ugitiri thibitari-ini ya Kenyatta, Sicily augite ni mongereire CCTV niguo kugacirithia ugitiri.
The management reports to me that they have also added security guards just again to deal with that matter. Ikinya
riri riukite thutha wa urugamiriri wa thibitari ino kuorotwo gukirikana arwaru ni makoretwo makiagagio ni amwe a aruti a wira thibitari ino. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Gathoni wa Jihia.